What's up, guys? Good morning. The keen eye among you might have noticed that I am missing a passenger seat. Like a lot of you, I work at my desk most of the day. I had a really shitty gaming chair, so I got a bright idea one day. I've got two perfectly good cars outside that have seats in them. Why don't we make one of those into my desk chair? So today, what we're actually gonna do is, I'm driving this car, I need a passenger seat, right? I'm going to the junkyard. I was there yesterday and realized there's another B7 sitting in there. It's got two perfectly good seats, and the best part is they're cloth, because these ones are leather. Sitting in these at your desk is nice, except for the fact that it gets hot. Nobody wants that. So I'm going out there today. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna grab one of those seats out there, and then I'm gonna show you how I put it all together. At least you get to hear the cold start. Go for a ride. Anyways, so back to my brilliant idea. You take a desk chair base, you take a car seat, you build a bracket, and you stick them both together. I love this freaking car. And we're here. All right, guys, we'll pull apart, and that blue one back there is what we're here for. Let's take a look. It's not in bad shape, and I'm really disappointed to see it here. But the good news is, since it is here, we've got this nice cloth seat, which will be perfect for our gaming chair. These seats are super easy to take out. The only thing that sucks, they use triple squares. But there's one bolt here, one bolt there. We'll slide it forward. There's two in the back, and we'll get it out in no time. One last thing I want to show you guys. When you're taking these seats out, once you get them undone, underneath here, there's some wiring. Pop that out and then unplug all these. These ones are just yoink, yoink, yoink. All right, we're back in the car. We got the cloth seat. We got it home. It's got some to be expected stains, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Do me a favor right now. Take a guess on how much this seat costs. Take a guess, leave it in the comments. I'll tell you here in a little bit.
For context, these seats are directly out of a 2008 Audi A4, and these are like the base model cloth seats. That being said, what we're doing here is we're just trying to vacuum up as much dirt out of the seats, out of the fabric and the crevices as we can before we start to actually scrub these down. So next thing you're going to see is I'm going to spray these with this first cleaner. This is a shoe cleaner that I've actually used plenty of times. It's made for cloth and suede shoes. Does a great job at pulling all the deep stains out, and I've used that on cloth for forever. The next cleaner I spray on top of these is one that's actually made for carpet. And this carpet cleaner, it's Woolite, does a fantastic job of just breaking up all the dirt on the surface so we can move from that into using our brushes. Now, these brushes are ones you can get on Amazon, super cheap, like 15 to 25 bucks. I'll put a link in the video description for this, but this will allow you to get these pretty cheap. Use them with any standard drill. We're not pressing down on these firmly. We're just kind of letting them right across the top of the surface here and be able to break up all this dirt. And then after that, we'll get out the shop vac and suck all the rest of it up.
All right, guys, we got our seat all cleaned up, and you may be wondering, how are we gonna turn this into this? This is what we need. Here we have our bracket. Now, I built this simply with some 1/4 inch by 1 inch steel plate and some 3/4 inch square tubes. You can get these at any local hardware store like Home Depot, and then just some bolts. I welded these pieces together. However, if you don't have a welder or the skills to weld, you can also just drill more holes and bolt them together. So all I had to do was get these bottom pieces, which you can get on Amazon. I'll have links in the bio. It's a base, the shock itself, which does go up and down, and this top tilting base. Build one of these brackets, and then take a seat from whatever your favorite car is, measure the bolt pattern, and you can make your favorite car seat into your desk chair too. Let's put it together. It's our fun new office chair. Okay, but let's talk about what it costs. The seat itself, is the last thing I'm gonna tell you because it's funny. So the steel we got from Home Depot, about 30 bucks worth of plate steel. Could be more or less depending on where you're at. The base, the tilt piece in the bottom that actually bolts to that, that's about $20. The shock itself that lets it go up and down, that's about $18. And the very bottom with the wheels, that usually is right around $40. Now, the seat itself comes in at $33 from Pull Apart. That's all it cost me to pull this myself and bring it home. Total, $145 gets us home in a new chair that is way more comfortable than any of these things are ever gonna be. So this is gonna last you a long time. If you like this idea, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. I'm always building random things. But until then, I love you guys. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. You wanna be in the video? You wanna be in the video? Yes, you wanna be in the video? Yeah. Okay, love you. Kisses? Thanks. Thanks, Bubba's. Okay, can I record now? Yeah. Go on.